pretty cool in here. I don't know.
Flamingo. Oh, this is my favorite one. A rock.
Used to have a headache.
No, mine's gone. Y'all want to go to the bar? Know what they call that goat over there?
What?
That's me, bro. I'm the goat. I'm the goat. It was me as infant.
Really?
Yep, I was really good as a little infant. And then there was me when I was teenager. And then this was me during menopause. And this was me whenever I got girlfriend. She broke up with me. Okay, let's see if this works. Shit, that didn't work. There's a snake in my boot. Snake in my boot. Oh, that's cool. Dad, I love John Elton. John Elton? John Elton? I love John Jackson. I love Michael Elton too. Tonight. My nose is big. Maybe there's a vending machine over there.
There's that lady left me. We're the Camaro today.
Look, there's my goat.
Great of all time.
Greatest of all time. Look at, there's another goat. I'm the greatest of all time, yeah? They got Rocky. We made her two goats with her sister. Welcome to an episode of Ghost Adventures, starring my dad and my mom. So you guys are planning on sneaking in here? Mom? Mom, you plan on sneaking in?
No way.
You wanna let's see some ghosts?
No way.
Is he Scooby-Doo in the game?
Mom, we just made a new show called Ghost Adventures. We have to go in.
Great, and apparently I've never been on live television before. kid, and apparently every time, Grandpa just gives me a remote after we watch the Powerball.
Y'all ready for some fireworks?
Gang, gang. Of course.
I hate them.
Right here.
You're not American enough.
That's right, because he's Mexican.
Oh.
And I'm Eskimo, which is part of the United States, but I'm not an American, because I'm Eskimo. Don't make sense, but...
I just cried American tears right there.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright, let's go home! So you call these fireworks? These look like entrances to WWE stars. Pull it off, right? Oh